Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the most productive AI tools that can benefit all of you, whether you're a podcaster, online trainer, voiceover artist, video creator, or someone who needs to create impactful presentations or quick videos for social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. If you missed out on the first 10 tools we covered in the previous video, don't worry. You can find the link to the first part of this series in the video details below. Now, let's dive right in. We have curated a list of the next 10 AI tools that are going to revolutionize your day-to-day productivity. These tools are game changers, and we can't wait to share them with you. So, buckle up and get ready to supercharge your creative journey. 11th tool is Midjourney, which is an innovative AI tool designed to optimize your productivity and work efficiency. Midjourney AI may be of interest for you if you are looking for a creative and interesting approach to making images using artificial intelligence. It is a tool that allows you to produce visually appealing images with just a few words. You may explain what you wish to see in normal language, and Midjourney AI will utilize its sophisticated neural network to produce a picture that fits your description. Next tool, which is 12th tool in our list, is Adobe Podcast, which is an exceptional AI tool tailored specifically for podcast creators and content creators. It utilizes advanced audio processing algorithms to enhance the audio quality of your podcast recordings. With a simple and intuitive interface, Adobe Podcast allows you to reduce background noise, balance audio levels, and improve overall sound clarity. These features significantly enhance the listening experience for your audience, making your podcast more professional and engaging. Whether you record in a studio or a less than perfect environment, Adobe Podcast's AI capabilities work wonders in transforming your audio content and improving the quality of your podcasts. It is important to note that Adobe Podcast AI is still under development and its capabilities are constantly evolving. As the tool becomes more advanced, it is likely that its use cases will expand even further. Another similar tool, which falls as 13th tool in our list, is Cleanvoice.ai, which is an AI-powered audio editing tool that revolutionizes the way you process and improve your voice recordings. It employs advanced algorithms to reduce background noise, remove echoes, and enhance voice clarity. With Cleanvoice.ai, you can achieve professional-level audio quality without the need for expensive recording equipment or a dedicated soundproof studio. Whether you are a podcaster, voiceover artist, or video creator, Cleanvoice.ai helps you deliver clear and crisp voice recordings that captivate your audience. Save time on manual audio editing and elevate the quality of your voice content with Cleanvoice.ai. 14th tool is Adobe Premiere. If you are a video editor using Adobe Premiere, you have a powerful AI-driven tool right at your fingertips. Premiere's built-in scene detection feature analyzes your video footage and automatically detects scene changes. It marks the transitions between scenes, making it easier for you to navigate and edit your videos efficiently. With scene detection, you can quickly jump to specific scenes, rearrange footage, and apply effects or transitions precisely where needed. You can also remix music with Adobe Premiere. This tool analyzes your audio tracks and provides options to adjust the tempo, create custom compositions, and add a unique touch to your video projects. This AI tool saves you valuable time in manually searching for scene changes and enhances your overall video editing workflow. Maximize your productivity and streamline video editing with Adobe Premiere's scene detection feature. 15th tool is Lensa, which is an AI-powered photo editing tool developed by Prisma that takes your photo editing skills to the next level. It offers a range of advanced features and filters to retouch portraits, remove blemishes, adjust lighting and colors, and enhance the overall quality of your photos. Lensa's intelligent algorithms ensure that the editing process is fast, precise, and produces professional-looking results. Whether you are a professional photographer or an amateur enthusiast, Lensa's AI capabilities make it easy to transform your photos into stunning works of art. Elevate your photo editing game with Lensa at prismai.com Lensa and unlock the full potential of your visual creations. 16th tool is Cleanup.pictures, which is an AI-driven image enhancement tool that transforms your photos into stunning visual masterpieces. It employs advanced algorithms to remove noise, adjust colors and lighting, and enhance the overall quality of your images. With Cleanup.pictures, you can effortlessly improve the clarity and sharpness of your photos, making them more appealing and professional. Whether you are a photographer, graphic designer, or social media enthusiast, Cleanup.pictures helps you create visually captivating images that leave a lasting impression. 17th tool is Beethoven.ai, which is a cutting-edge AI tool that helps you create music effortlessly. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze your audio samples and generate personalized beats, melodies, and musical compositions. With Beethoven.ai, you can explore different genres, experiment with rhythms, and unleash your creativity without the need for extensive music production knowledge or skills. Whether you are a musician, producer, or content creator, Beethoven.ai opens up a world of possibilities for crafting unique and captivating music. Experience the future of music creation with Beethoven.ai and let your imagination run wild. If you are someone who loves creating short videos for YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms, then the next tool is for you. 18th tool is Vidyo.ai, which is an advanced AI tool that revolutionizes the way you edit and enhance your videos. You make short videos from the long ones in a fraction of time. It utilizes artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze your footage, detect scenes, and suggest edits to create engaging video content. Vidyo.ai's smart features enable you to enhance the visual appeal of your videos, improve color grading, and automate tedious editing tasks. With its user-friendly interface, Vidyo.ai empowers video creators, marketers, and vloggers to produce high-quality content without extensive editing expertise. Save time, streamline your video editing process, and unlock the full potential of your video projects with Vidyo.ai. 19th tool is Pictory.ai, which is an AI-powered visual storytelling tool that simplifies the process of creating captivating presentations and interactive stories. It offers a wide range of templates, animations, and interactive elements that can be customized to suit your needs. Pictory.ai's AI algorithms help you organize your content, suggest design improvements, and create visually stunning presentations without the need for extensive design skills. Whether you are a marketer, educator, or public speaker, Pictory.ai enhances your storytelling abilities and helps you deliver impactful presentations that leave a lasting impression. Next tool is very important if you are in communication and marketing solutions. 20th tool is Megaphone.ai, which is an AI-powered podcast hosting platform developed by Spotify. It offers advanced features to help you streamline your podcast production, distribution, and monetization. Megaphone's AI capabilities enable dynamic ad insertion, personalized content recommendations, and detailed analytics to help you understand your audience better. With its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Spotify, Megaphone provides a comprehensive solution for podcasters looking to grow their audience and monetize their content. Elevate your podcasting game with Megaphone and unlock the full potential of your audio creations. Here we cover top 20 AI tools out of 34 tools. Please suggest your valuable feedback by commenting in the video. Kindly subscribe to get more productive tools and technologies. See you soon in part 3 video of the series to discuss another 14 productive AI tools. Thanks again.